Hey friends, happy Easter. Let's get ready for Easter in a few weeks and welcome to my channel. Today we have an Easter themed decorations. We're going to have so much fun doing so many type of different decorations. And we're going to first start off with some Easter swirls. We just pull these apart little by little, and then I'm just going to use some tape and hang them from my entryway into the living room from the kitchen. And this is what it looks like once we have all the swirls hung up. And now we're going to take these little cute Easter bunny faces that I got from this decoration kit from Walmart. I'm going to use some double-sided tape and I'm going to tape them onto these Easter eggs. Hey friends, make sure you stick around to the end of the video because we do have a small giveaway to give away a few Easter decorations. Now I'm going to take the eggs and hang them on either side of my clock above the fireplace. I'm just going to use some tacks to hang them up. And these are some Easter egg garlands. I'm going to add them to the sides of the eggs as well. And these are some cute spring and Easter signs that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm just adding them to my fireplace. And now it's time to add the He Is Risen banner. This is a banner that I made. Make sure you check out the video that shows how I made it step by step. I'm just using some tape and some tacks to add it to the fireplace. And this is a wall decorating kit for Easter. I'm going to put this around my TV in the living room. And these are the wall hangings that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just organized them how I wanted to hang them up. And now I'm just using some tacks to help hang them up on my wall. Now let's hang up the Happy Easter banner. And this is a bunny garland that I have. I'm going to hang this up underneath the wall hangings. And then I'm making space to hang this cute little bunny face right in the middle of them. Now let's decorate the accent table. I'm going to use a white tablecloth and an Easter tablecloth to cover it up, and then we're just going to add a few little decorations on top. gonna do the table setting. I'm just gonna add this plastic Easter egg cloth onto the table, and then we're about to add a centerpiece that I made. And make sure you check out the video right after this one. I will show you step by step how I created this centerpiece. And then I added a few more settings to the table. And then also I will show you step by step how I created this balloon stand in a video that I've done as well. And here you have it, our final results for our Easter decorations. Ooh, that's pretty.
More bubble.
And we have a monthly giveaway for some Easter decorations today. We're giving away a Happy Easter decorating kit. You have 10 pieces inside. You get to get a Happy Easter banner. You get some hanging cutouts. You also get some cute little Easter cutouts as well. And then in addition to this, you'll get to get the glitter bunny banner. To enter, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hashtag Easter giveaway, and then check back next week to see if you're a winner. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Check out my video about how I made the Easter centerpiece. Check out my other Easter videos, and have a royal day.